In this short video, you'll know exactly how to check website traffic on Google Analytics. If you are new, go to Reports. Right here on the Reports snapshot, you get an overview of what your traffic performance is. It's going to show organic search, direct traffic, organic video, referral, everything like that. It's also going to give you a map showing you where the traffic is coming from. Now, to be more granular with your data, you can click on Acquisition and click on Traffic Acquisition. Traffic Acquisition will show you exactly how and where the traffic is coming from. If you set up your links correctly, you can also add UTM parameters in GA4. It knows exactly what type of traffic, for example, email marketing, social content, paid ads. You can actually break them down and categorize all of them so your data is clean. Now right here we can see the sessions, engagement rate, events per session, and to be more granular we can actually go on top and click on custom report. In this case we're gonna add a outbound click events and then a bounce rate metrics. So go to dimensions, add dimension, we can type in outbound. Now this is going to track all the outbound clicks coming from your website to going into the vendor's website. Extremely helpful if you are running affiliate offers. Hit apply, and we can also add bounce rate and hit apply. Now if you want to be more granular with your data and see exactly how much traffic a particular page is getting, you can go over to engagement and click on pages and screens. You can click on rows per page and select as many as you want. And this is how you can view traffic data right inside your Google Analytics account.